You need to hear this if you're a remote worker. Feeling swamped by your to-do list? Let's change that. Imagine waking up to an organized day, your tasks flowing seamlessly like clockwork. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the magic of automation. It's not just for tech wizards or big corporations. Automation is your new best mate, especially if you're a remote worker juggling multiple hats. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify repetitive tasks. Are you spending hours sorting emails or scheduling posts? That's your goldmine. Step 2. Choose the right tools. From email filters to social media schedulers, there's a tool for everything. Tools like Zapier, Trello, and Buffer can be game changers. Step 3. Set up your automations. It might seem daunting, but start simple. Create rules for your inbox or automate your social media updates. Little by little, it'll all add up. Step 4. Test and tweak. Automation isn't set it and forget it. Monitor what works and refine it. By following these steps, you'll free up hours in your day. Hours you can spend on what truly matters, whether it's growing your business, spending time with family, or just unwinding. Ready to transform your work-from-home life? Visit www.mybelladigital.com and get our e-learning program. Your future self will thank you. Remember, automation isn't about doing less work. It's about doing more of what you love. Let's get started today.